Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I made this lovely unit. Okay everyone, the hair that I'm using is from a company called Nadula. And this is how the packaging is. And this is how it looks inside. I got some eyelashes, which is very nice. I love the box, it's very nice packaging. And these are the bundles, you guys. It's Brazilian Bodywave here, and 3 bundles and a closure. The bundles look nice. So let's get into this wig making, you guys. I'm going to share with you guys how I make my units. Alright you guys, this is the cap that I'm using. It's a mesh weaving cap. And we're going to start with putting on our closure. And yes, I know my mannequin head is funny, but I use her to do everything. Alright, we take our closure and we use our T-pins, and we're just going to pin down the closure. Just even it out from side to side. Put your T-pins down to help you hold it in place so when you're sewing it doesn't move.
Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me, cause I'm waving.
And now we're just going to start sewing down our closure. So as you sew it, you loop the thread just to hold it in place.
Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, now I'm making my moves, Ooh, you know yeah. Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, make my move,
And just here's a closer look of how I'm sewing it onto the mesh cap. And you're just going to continue sewing, going right round on your closure, sewing it down. And now we're going to start with our bundles, and we're just going to be sewing them back and forth, again looping the thread as you sew from side to side, and then you just fold the tracks and then come back to the next side and continue sewing.
Baby, watch your man out here.
And I do double the tracks down here at the bottom. They are doubled. I do it doubled until about halfway up, and then I start doing single tracks as I get higher.
Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving. You know I, baby. Waving, baby. I'm waving. I'm waving. You know I wave, baby. Wave, you know I wave it. Wave it. Ooh, you know I'm wave, baby. Wave it, baby. Wave it. When the summer comes around, you know he should be. When the summer comes around, ooh, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him, yeah. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize, no, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me, cause I'm waving. You know
Now when we reach the top, the last track that we're putting in, you sew it very close to your closure, going all the way around so there's no gaps in between, and it looks nice and full.
Wavy. Ooh, you know.
And here's our finished unit, you guys. So I'm going to flip it inside for you guys to see how it is. And now we have to cut the mesh. That's where the closure is. So just take your scissors and cut carefully. Do not cut the thread that's there. Just cut around, going all the way around, so you can have this little piece taken off, but that's where your closure is. We don't need it. And here are the adjustable straps that come with the mesh cap. Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today because I'm doing another hair review for you guys. And the hair that the company that I'll be doing a review for today is called Nadula Hair. I believe that's the name. I'll put the name right here. Yeah, Nadula. And I have their Brazilian Bodywave in the lengths 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. Let me make sure of that. Yeah. That's the Brazilian Bodywave, and it's 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. Yeah, you guys. And this is the hair right here. Yeah. I showed you how I made the wig. It's a wig, like you know. And I showed you how I did that. And you guys, I've been rocking this hair now for 2 weeks. No joke. 2 weeks I've been rocking this hair for. I said, you know, let me wear this hair for a bit. And I come on and give you guys my review and what I think about it. So that's what I'm here doing today. After wearing it for 2 weeks, I absolutely love it. Yes, I do. The hair is still nice and soft. Very nice and soft. And I co-washed it. I like co-washing my hair. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, I co-washed the hair. And it's very nice. And I showed you how the bundles came. Nice packaging, nice bundle. You know. And I absolutely, like I said, love the hair. It's nice and soft. Very manageable, and it holds its curl, which is good. And it's really nice. After 2 weeks of wearing it, it's really some good quality hair. They're Brazilian Bodywave. That's what I have in. Yeah. And guess what, you guys? They're having a sale right now. Yeah. Nadula. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Nadula, they're having a sale going on right now, their anniversary sale, and I will leave a link below in my description bar so you guys can go over and check out their sales and all their good deals that they have going on right now. Yeah, I think you'll really like it. I really do. And they have all sorts of textures over there, and like I said, I have in a closure. They have frontals and stuff for you guys to choose from. Those of you ladies who love to wear frontals, or gents, you know, go over, look what they have, make use of their sale. You know, everybody likes nice affordable hair. It's affordable, and then when there's a sale going on, that even makes it more affordable. Yeah, so click the link and go on over and check out the deals that they have and get something nice for yourself. Yeah. And like I was saying, I don't have any tangling. I don't have shedding, which is very nice. I don't have excessive shedding with this hair. And when I sew my hair, I do cut the tracks at the top. I do. Because when you get to the top, the fold-over method you cannot do. You understand? Unless you get a big bulge, in my opinion. So I do cut the tracks when I reach the very top. You know, I don't have no excessive shedding at all. So I really appreciate that with this hair. It's very nice, and like I said, it's still soft. It's still really soft. It's very nice. 2 weeks of rocking it, and I love it. I get lots of compliments, and I like. Hey, who doesn't like a compliment? Yeah. So, like I said, go on over. The link is in the description bar. Check them out. Make use of their sale. Get some bundles for yourself. Yeah. Alright everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing my review of Nadula Hair Company. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.